We are here at the Massey house and we are making this closet beautiful. They just had it completely remodeled, ripped everything out, added a beautiful shoe wall. It's a feature wall and it's gonna be stunning. But holy sneakers. There are hundreds of sneakers behind me.
What's your guess?
736.
Total, including his and hers?
Yes.
525.
601. 699.
752.
So when you have so much of something, you don't even really know what you have. So we're gonna pull everything out, all the sneakers that they have, choose their favorites, make sure it's what they want, and then we're gonna display them so beautifully on that wall. It's a new space for them and there is more storage, but they still have a lot of stuff. And we wanna make it beautiful and functional. The closet remodel is taking a little bit longer than they had planned, which happens with, really, let's be honest, every remodel that happens is never on time, but we can work around it. That's why we're professionals. They were supposed to be done a couple days ago. They're finishing today and they won't be done for another couple of hours. You can't actually get into the closet yet until they're finished and everything's completely done, the shelves and the doors and everything. So we're gonna be staging everything out here, and then as soon as they're done, we're going inside to start filling the closet up. Okay. I'm having a shoe lesson today. These are Jordans. Air Jordans? Air Jordans. These are Air Force Max. Air Forces. Then we have Golden Goose. And then there's Yeezys.
Max Jordan.
Force. The dilemma is, where will all these shoes go? Because the nice ones are already behind the lighted cabinets, which was the goal, but there's still a couple left that are still nice that don't go behind a lighted cabinet. Like, I think this is nice. So I'm still learning all the shoe lingo. Now it's like, where does it go? Because this isn't lighted and behind a cabinet, and then we have all of his t-shirts. We gotta figure it out. I think I could put all of the t-shirts right here. And then we play with what needs to go over here. Do we need baskets, or is this the only baskets? Maybe this is it. Okay, I think I did it. Third time's a charm. His shoes do not work. It would not be enough space. Her rainbow shoes, there's not really enough of each color to make sense here. But her neutrals will be beautiful here. So we're gonna fill this with whites, white checkered Nikes and the browns, and fade up to black and brown. That's gonna be good.
Said someone made this. They had it made on Etsy from someone in like Germany or something.
Mallory's
Guys,
sneakerhead.
how cool am I now?
Nike Air. Hannah, did you see these? Shoes are finally in the closet. Every shoe has a home. Every shoe is in the exact spot that it can live in to fit in the closet, so that all the shoes fit in the closet. And now we're trying to figure out clothes. They had some clothes in the dresser in the bedroom. We found clothes in a front closet that they didn't tell us about. So we went ahead and pulled that as well. Like, when we're going through clothes and doing a closet, we want to see all of your clothes because we can make better sense of it. If clothes are in another closet, you're usually forgetting about them, unless it's purposeful. So we're gonna make it a winter/event closet. They are only going in there for a certain type of outfit, but all the rest of the clothes and shoes that they wear are gonna be in their actual closet now. Way better. Let me show you how I fold hoodies. It's really simple. Just kind of like made this up really fast. / that's why they have Pinterest, because someone else already knows how to do it. Watch them and do it. So good. So these we're saying are going here.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Oh, she'll like that. She likes the look of this. Oh my gosh, this is the first time we've ever been able to use these guys.
Matt, you said one little dab of museum gel in the very back would hold
Make it stay.
So
Yeah.
good. Her sweater.
Even do a Velcro.
Oh yeah.
That would really hold it in.
Yeah, color
Agree.
coordinating those sweaters would be beautiful. I mean, I know we do that anyways, but
Yeah.
y'all are too much.
This closet is finished and it is a dream closet. They did an incredible job of designing it before we got here so that we could just finish it out and make it beautiful. Everything fits in here. We even brought things from a front closet, 2 front rooms now are in this space. We added things that didn't even live in here and now they all have a home. Every single shoe is accounted for. If they buy a new shoe, they've got to get rid of one because there's not a lot of space, except there actually is space for 4 shoes. There are 4 empty shoe spaces. Everything has a home. It looks beautiful. We gave her a spot for when she works with different brands, a collab space for her new clothes that come in so it doesn't get confused and mixed in. Purses, jeans are here. He has a side, she has a side. We added some decor. It looks beautiful and I hope they love it.